all know every year when the medical aids publish their new rates, it always, it's a gut punch.
It seems to me around 8 or 9% at the moment is the last batch
Yeah.
that I saw. Yeah.
And if I'm getting a salary increase of 5%, it's something we need to plan for. So that's one big thing. And sometimes it's also like insurances that you have through your employer that you need to take into account when you do this whole sweeping up of things. And if you move employers, sometimes you can continue with the group insurance you had in your personal capacity. Call it a conversion option. So if at this point in life you are thinking about moving companies because you're highly skilled, probably going to want to be snatched by another company, always take those things into account as well. It's not only the cost to company what is my salary I earn, it's all of the benefits I get through that. Sometimes it's employee share schemes where you've got maybe some shares in the company, and all of those things still affect your estate plan as well. If you do have shares, that's still a line item in your estate that's going to be liable for estate duty and executors fees.